Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of August, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.49. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of -0.72%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.07% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 9.55% in the upcoming 3 months. The possible return could range from a decline of 14.37% to an increase of 0.80%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it indicates a change of 36.45% over the next year, with a potential return between 32.60% and 67.67%. This projection implies a price range of $214.52 to $271.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline: Google stock price ended at $161.78 on Thursday after losing 0.657%. The Google stock price fell by 0.657% on the last day, Thursday, the 29th of August, 2024, from $162.85 to $161.78. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.56%, reaching a low of $160.25 and a high of $165.96. The price has been quite volatile during this period, with a slight gain of 0.3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This might serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 19 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $191.75, while the lowest price was $120.21. Currently, the price stands at 15.63%. or $29.97 below the 52-week high, and 93.39%, or $2,287.14, below the all-time high reached on June 14, 2021, when the price soared to $2,448.92. Today, Google is encountering significant legal challenges that could have lasting implications for its stock price. A major ruling from United States District Court found that Google illegally maintained its monopoly in online search. This decision raises concerns about how Google may need to restructure its operations moving forward, potentially affecting its competitive edge and market share. The repercussions of this ruling, which are still to be determined, could lead to increased scrutiny and regulatory changes. Compounding these issues, Yelp has filed an antitrust lawsuit against Google, alleging that the tech giant has exploited its dominant position in search to undermine competitors. Yelp claims that Google directs traffic away from rival services, further highlighting potential anti-competitive practices. With multiple lawsuits emerging in an environment already hostile toward big tech, investor sentiment could shift negatively in the short term as risks escalate. On a more positive note, Google Cloud CEO recently discussed expanding investments in generative artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, indicating that Google is actively seeking growth avenues despite legal pressures. This focus on innovation may provide long-term stability and opportunities for growth, potentially offsetting some immediate concerns. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a buy grade to Google, coupled with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham also assigned a buy grade to Google, along with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that Barclays gave Google an overweight grade, again with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital rated Google as outperform, also with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, UBS gave Google a neutral grade, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have provided a general buy rating for Google stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen by 2.2%. Further upward movement is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term developments. The Google stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $164.39 and $168.83. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 28 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presents a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 13 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google has established support at $160.37, where accumulated volume suggests a potential buying opportunity. When this support level is tested, it is reasonable to anticipate an upward reaction. The stock typically enjoys robust trading volume, and given its minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk remains low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.71, which represents a 3.56% change between its high and low. In the last week, the average daily volatility was 2.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A PE ratio in this range is generally viewed as typical, especially for companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts are expecting consensus estimates to be $1.83. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's delve into some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Google is at $167.28. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $160.37. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google, based on multiple analyst sources, is a recommendation to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of August, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuiner executed an insider purchase of 1,365 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, O'Toole Amy Thuiner also made an insider sale of 1,365 shares of Class C Google stock units. Additionally, on the 25th of August, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuiner sold another 1,392 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 21st of August, 2024, Pichai Sundar conducted an insider sale of 16,211 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Pichai Sundar also sold 6,289 shares of Class C capital stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, reflecting a ratio of negative 9.022. In total, insiders have purchased 617,327 shares, while selling 764,824 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the forthcoming days or weeks, resulting in a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of August, we predict Google will open up 88 cents and commence trading at $162.66. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.